with the competition. Some doesn't have an established relationship with their suppliers or customers, and they are facing new responsibilities in the market, but also in their household. The lack of guarantees is also one of the challenges when working with youth. So the youth don't have enough assets because they are often in the beginning of their professional life, and the assets that are required by the MFI, so like the premises, the house, or other land or other assets are not available for you. So for the lack of guarantee, they face this challenge by in different ways. Some of the MFIs choose to give them group loans, or to have their parents as a guarantor. Next slide, please. So when we did interviews with youth, we had a lot of recommendations that came from them. First of all, they like or they prefer individual loans than group loans because they can be more independent, can avoid the pressure of the group or the problems that goes with the group. Of course, the interest rate should be lower for the